Want to write with your S Pen but get clean type text instantly, or maybe you don't like using the keyboard on your phone? In this video, I will show you how to use S Pen to text in Samsung Note on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature converts your handwriting into real text as you write. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for quick note. To do so, open any note in Samsung Note app or create a new one. Remove your S Pen. On the bottom toolbar, swipe left or right until you find the S Pen to text icon, and then tap it. Now start writing on the screen with your S Pen. As you write, Samsung Note will instantly convert your handwriting into typed text. Also, a floating toolbar will appear with helpful button, setting to adjust handwriting option, emoji to insert emojis, spacebar to add space, backspace to delete, keyboard to switch to normal keyboard, and enter to move to the next line. And that's how you use S Pen to text in Samsung Note. It's simple, fast, and makes your handwritten note look clean every time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.